Good morning. Today I'll be talking about the cons of coffee consumption. Coffee is one of the most preferred drinks worldwide. However, despite its delicious taste, it's also very important to know that there are more cons than pros about coffee consumption. Coffee contains caffeine, true, which is a stimulant to the nervous system. With daily consumption, caffeine can become a physical dependency, which can lead to headaches, lack of concentration, and anxiety. And in some cases, but not rare, it even causes insomnia. It is often not recommended to drink coffee about 6 to 8 hours before you go to sleep, since it takes about 8 to 10 hours to eliminate 75% of coffee in the body. Though there's a huge misunderstanding by many that coffee can make you smarter, as Sena mentioned, I insist that there is no drink that can do that, and no study that can prove that drinking coffee can increase one's IQ. Sena also argued that coffee consumption does well to the body, but I disagree. Our oral hygiene is also very important to our body, but it is less talked about. Our mouths are the gateway of our body. In addition, there is a direct connection, as you can see here in this flyer that I get from work, that I got from work. There is a direct connection between mouth and the body. Dental problems can lead to a serious health problem such as respiratory infection, diabetes, stroke, heart attack, prostate gland enlargement. Gum infections will affect your baby. So if you're planning to get pregnant or somebody is pregnant, just know that, having a gum infection can affect the baby's health. It is also very important to know that due to coffee consumption, cavities can form due to the sugar intake that it is between coffee. Most people don't actually take a decaf. I mean, for those that do, always usually add a cream or something like that. That's still coffee consumption. That's sugar consumption. As a dental assistant, I see patients on a daily basis. As an assistant, my duty is to greet patients and ask them about their health history and eating habits. It is not a surprise to me to know that most patients come in with yellow teeth due to coffee consumption. I cannot stress enough the importance of limiting the consumption of coffee to adults and teens. Our tooth enamel is the strongest shield in our body. However, its structure form is quite weak. It consists of a rigid surface and cracks, and in most cases, food particles and food stains get trapped in these cracks. Such as, I don't know if you can see right here. Actually, this is coffee that I've left probably it's like 5 hours long or something like that. You see how right after, I turn this thing, there's like a, the color right behind it. Well, if I leave this overnight, it'll stain. So this is exactly what happens to your tooth. But what differs is that this is a cup and it's pretty smooth. Our enamel is not smooth at all. So what it does is that stain couldn't get into these cracks, thus actually leading to these problems. Also, it's actually the leading cause of cavities. So I often insist that our smile is the best accessory that we can have. We should protect it. Avoiding coffee consumption can better our health. It is also important to know that, smiling or, giving our first impression, people look at our smiles, and it should be a really good way to give our great first impression.